Hey guys, this is Colin from Country Cat. Those of you in the market for a new side-by-side, snowmobile, ATV, or golf cart may ask yourself, why choose Country Cat? I'm here to explain to you today why many people put their trust in Country Cat when making a new unit purchase. We stock a large variety of Arctic Cat snowmobiles, Arctic Cat and Kawasaki side-by-sides and ATVs, as well as E-Z-GO golf carts in our 7,000 square foot showroom. You can shop indoors to pick out your new ride. Our sales staff is fully trained in all the products as well. We are happy to help you explain the features and benefits of each machine to ensure you get the best machine for you. When it comes down to a decision, we pride ourselves in low pressure atmosphere so you have time to make the right decision without feeling pressured. After the purchase is made, we can help with getting you financed with a lending partner. When it's time to pick up your new ride, we do a thorough walk around to explain the warranty and maintenance of your new machine. We want you to leave our dealership with your brand new machine in tow, knowing the ins and outs of it so closely, you're fully confident in your new ride. Country Cat carries a massive amount of parts, accessories, and clothing on hand to ensure our customers have the items they want when they need them, even when the others are out of stock. We are widely known to have the largest selection anywhere. We know riding your machine is enjoyable, but waiting for parts is not. We also offer a convenient online store where you can shop online and have your order delivered to your door. One of the most valuable aspects of buying a new machine is the service that goes with it. We are extremely proud to employ several fully trained factory certified technicians. These technicians not only do warranty work, maintenance, and general repairs, but they are also the staff that does the initial setup of the new units. This means your new machine gets set up exactly by the guidelines of the manufacturer. No cutting corners here. If you're looking for an answer to a technical question down the road, we have dedicated staff to help. They can help you locate the correct part, check a serial number, answer questions about an item, or help you track down your order. Our knowledgeable support staff can be reached via text, email, or phone. If you contact us, a ticket is created and all inquiries are promptly replied to. We pride ourselves on taking care of you, the customer, from the initial sale through repair and maintenance. We hinge on the phrase pride, passion, performance. Visit us at Country Cat for the best buying experience.